I see a lot of patients every day that are frustrated with the cost of dental implants. Prices are across the board in terms of very cheap. We have a lot of advertisements out there on billboards that advertise very cheap implants. What are you getting for the money? I have a lot of questions that are asked to me about that. And so with our practice, one of the things that we can assure you is that we go through every single step that's going to make sure that you get not only the treatment that you're requesting, but meet your expectations so that you know that the implant that you're going to get is going to be long lasting. It's going to be for the rest of your life. Because of the costs that are associated with it, we have great technology in our office that is going to provide us to know exactly what we need to do to get an implant there. So whether there's bone grafting procedures that need to be done, where it needs to be minimal or maybe a little bit more extensive, we'll know that exactly at the time that you come in for your consultation visit. And so with that being said, we know exactly the cost to get from no tooth to a final restoration within a couple minutes. One of the great aspects of my practice too is that every budget is going to be taken account for. And so with that, we can set up monthly payments. We have great financial options in terms of helping patients get the treatment that they need. And so with that, we can go through every aspect of the treatment. We can come up with some type of solution for you, make it very easy. My staff's great. We can try to accommodate as many benefits as that you do have with insurance. And then on top of that, we have the other financial options as well.